Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a review and unboxing from SEP Beauty. This is the My Mott kit. Mott stands for Makeup of the Time. And it's this really cool compact that has a mirror, has 4 eyeshadows, has lipstick, highlighter, has everything inside. And of course these come in different shades. This one is 01 Wake Me. That's what the color is. So I am super excited for this. So let's take a look. I think this is a really cool idea, how tiny and compact this is. And I did want to show you the different shades. So this is the one that I'm going to be swatching. There's also a number 2 and a number 3. And there is a mirror here, but if I show it to you, it will be reflective from the light. So I'm going to try to cover it up so I don't blind you. But this part folds open, and it does have little plastic cover here, so that the fallout isn't going to get onto the other eyeshadow. So those are really nice. I'll go ahead and swatch those for you. And then the lipstick is down there. I love this. So let's go ahead and swatch. Very soft. That one's a nice one. We have this color, nice little shimmer. We have a darker one. And then another real shimmery color. Those are actually all shades I wear. I wear a lot of neutrals, browns, stuff like that. So those are very pretty. And then you could snap that back and then fold that up. You have your mirror here, like I said, and then at the bottom, cool. I just think this is so neat. This would be great for a purse or even to travel with. That is awesome. So this goes on real nice and soft, just like a lip balm. There's no smell at all that's not scented, which I like. I'd rather it not be scented than smell like something I don't like. And here is the lipstick. Swatch that one up there. Very cool. So that's what came in there. That is super fun. And these just snap back in there. And you have all sorts of variety with this. Very tiny and compact. Super cool. I think this is awesome and great for travel, and like I said, it does come in different shades, and I'll show those again here in a second. Once again, here are the other shades for the My Mott kit. These can be found on Amazon, and I'll put that link below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.